And I'm gonna be, oh my god. Oh, Lisa. I just really don't know how to work with this bang life. Oh my god. I recently honestly don't recognize myself. I've been going through some different looks just because I want to get creative with my videos. Oh, look who we have here. Miss Flyaway just is an attention. Never mind. Go away. So guys, for quite some time I've been very inspired by the Asian or Korean style makeup. So I kind of wanted to give it a try today. I've never ever done anything like it. That's why we have this whole new look happening. I was trying to really go all out with it. So I have never tried it before, and this is us winging it together. As per usual, I think that's the theme of this channel. I feel like I look 12, possibly. Today I'm going to be starting off my eyeshadow look with the Morphe Palette in 35U. I'm going to be working with this line over here. First shade, I'm going to be taking this peachy color over here. You can actually use any palette that you have as long as it matches this color, so you don't necessarily have to go by this. And I'm just going to be putting that in my crease area. This mirror's got to come closer. And I'm just going to be going back and forth with this peachy shade. Peachy shades usually don't come out very pigmented on camera because of all the lighting, but this is showing big time in person. And then I'm going to be going in with this orange shade over here and just packing that below where we did the crease. Same thing on the other end. I actually ended up learning about this type of makeup when I went to Korea in 2011, and they were huge on like sort of the pinky, peachy eyeshadows, and very pale skin, pinky, peachy colored lips. Okay, this is too orange, I feel. I am taking a little fluffy brush that's clean, and I'm just going to be going back and forth on that kind of to fade it out because that is way too orange and there is no orange needed here. Next, I am taking a precise brush and going in with this brownie shade over here, and I'm just focusing that on the outer V and kind of bringing it along where the lash line is. I don't even know if this makeup will actually suit me. I don't know, actually it might look good. Why am I being such a negative Nancy? My skin looks so light. I swear my face is not as light as my shoulders. Actually, maybe it is because I do put more sunscreen. Oh, okay, actually, never mind. I just got back from a trip with my girlfriend, and I just really had been in the sun a lot this summer, so I wanted to be a good girl because I've been very bad about my SPF game. So I ended up packing it on my face, and now I feel like my face is so much lighter. You guys, I was gonna blog when I went, or vlog, when I went to this trip. Sorry, I'm just taking a little bit of this darker shade over here. It's a darker version of this pink or peachy color. Can't tell a story. I was gonna vlog. We were just so busy enjoying the moment that I even put so little on my Instagram story, even though we did so much. Now I'm just gonna be going in with my Tarteist PRO palette by Tarte, and I'm reaching in for this shade over here, which is called Hype. Oh my god, by the way, side note, this palette smells like chocolate and cake. Oh my god. Some days I pull it out to use the mirror and then I get stuck here. I'm like, it smells so good. It actually, oh, so good. Okay, sidetrack. I'm getting hungry now. I'm grabbing a precise brush, just gonna be placing that on the inner corner where the waterline is, and then bringing it backwards. Okay, I'm going in with Crisp, and I'm taking that on my lower lash line with a little bit of a fluffy brush. It's kind of like flat, but it's, you know. I am so bad at telling stories, by the way. My friends always get so frustrated with my storytelling. So me and my girlfriend just wanted to have one last summer fun together, And we were trying to go to Europe, but we saved that for possibly next year. As much as I did want to share my trip with you guys, hopefully the next one I go on, because this one was just purely us time. So anyways, wow, that sounded so romantic. You guys, she's married. I'm going in with this shade over here. It's called Stylin', and I'm just making a fake crease under my eye. Apparently they do this. It apparently gives you like a more innocent look, but here I am trying to get rid of my wrinkles under my eye, and here they are having surgeries to get these put in. So interesting. Different cultures. So anyways, I was really bummed when I came back and didn't have much to share with you guys, or even pictures. I can't believe it. We took no pictures. Like even blog pictures, I didn't take any. I took one actually, and that was by just force, but I am going in with this pencil brush again, and I'm dipping it into Hype. And I'm going right under my eye between the brown and, what do you call it? The brown in my eye. I don't even know if I'll be able to achieve this look that I'm trying, but we'll see. Yeah, it's supposed to be like that. I don't know. I don't really like it at all. This is just not for me. Trying to hope that in time this look is gonna look better, but so far I'm not having too much luck. I'm looking more like I'm going out for Halloween than a Korean makeup look. Dude, go away. I wonder if you guys were like, what the f was that? I kind of freak out every once in a while since I've been so traumatized that my camera's shutting off on me that I freak out once in a while. Okay, go back to your brush. That's very, very precise. I think it's called a pencil one, so you can write in it. Or write with it, sorry. I'm going back with this dark brown. And I'm just going to intensify that lower line. Okay, now take any contour color and just bring it down from the nose area. Not too crazily, please, and thank you. Yeah, just like a little connection needs to happen there. Okay, now we are going in with a dark pencil brush. Any one you have will work. And you're just gonna line your top line. You don't wanna use a black liner because that's not what they use. It's more of a brown eyeliner. It's supposed to be more of like a softer look. And now we are curling our lashes. Now I am going in with my Voluminous mascara by L'Oreal. While that's drying, because I'm going to be going in with another coat in a second, I'm just taking this foundation brush and I'm going in with my Bare Minerals Pro foundation and just swirling that in. And Asian makeup is usually lighter in the face. They really, really like that fair look. Bronzy and stuff, they don't like it. I am taking a brush like this. I don't know what to call it. It's like a precise, actually it's a contouring brush. What am I saying? And then go in with any contour shade that fits your complexion and just start carving out your cheeks. You can already see I have a line over here, so I'm just going to be accentuating that. If you need help, just suck it in. And no, like, don't be too harsh with it. We're not trying to do Kim K today. They really like to contour their nose as well because they don't have a high bridge, so they like to improvise. But for me, I'm just going to be accentuating my bridge. Again, going in with a contour shade. Make sure this color is not orange or doesn't have hints of orange, because you're going to look like you contoured, and that's not the point. Uh-oh, too much. Light, nothing too crazy. So now I'm just going to be going in with my blush, the one that I wanted to use today. I cannot find, so I'm just going to be going in with the NYX Pink Fetish. And we're just going to be taking a blush brush and swirling that in there. And we're just going to be putting that on the apples of our cheek. Like, I'm just being very light with this just to start off. I hate putting mascara on my bottom ones. I don't know why. Maybe because I find that it gives you a cuter look instead of a sexier look. If that's true or not, not sure. But I find it on me, that's what it does. Interesting thing about Korean style or Asian style makeup is that they like to have an ombre effect on their lips. And they like the ombre effect in a way where the darkest color is inside your lip and then it fades out to the lightest, and then it kind of just like disappears. So I'm just going to be making my own lips faded. Now I'm just going to be going in with this Revlon liquid lipstick. I can't find the number once again. I already remember that. Last time I had the same issue, but I'll put it down below as I always do. And then what we're going to be doing is I'm just going to put a little bit on the back of my hand like that. And then I'm just taking my ring finger and I'm just going to be patting it in. And then whatever is the leftover on the end that I'm like, you see, it's kind of fading. Whatever is the leftover on here, I'm just going to start plotting on the inner half of my lip. You see? Take more if you need. And then just gradually build it up. Well, I knew my dumbass is gonna at one point screw up. I put highlighter on and it got cut off. But I went in with this fan brush over here. I dipped it into my Dior Sunstar. And we went over this area, and then on the apples here, a little bit on the nose, above the lip, and on the chin. I feel like I was so scattered today, it's not even funny. I'm going to be taking my NYX lip liner in Nude Truffle, and I'm just going to be lining my top lip a little bit. Guys, and I believe this is the finished look. I had no practice, so I really didn't know what I was doing, and I'm so sorry that I was playing with these bangs so much throughout. But I hope you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial. I just wanted to have some fun with it, and I actually really enjoyed doing something out of the ordinary. So if you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Until next time.